would you feel about a boat trip off the coast of Brazil?
Sounds great to me.
Well, what if I told you the trip was in a small wooden boat and the goal was to bring back a whale?
Not so much.
I thought not. But you know what's interesting is how the whalers and their families used a native plant to deal with the big bumps and bruises of long days at sea.
This sounds like a topic for our natural medicine update.
I thought you'd say that.
If you've ever sprained an ankle or developed tennis elbow, spent a weekend remodeling, you know that nagging soft tissue pain can take forever to heal. The conventional medical community often prescribes synthetic medicines for relief, but with side effects you'd probably just as soon avoid. But an all-natural alternative has arrived based on centuries-old wisdom from Brazil. Whalers there used to return to shore bruised and battered after long days at sea and wrestling with their prey from the wooden boats. The whalers' wives would rub their husbands' aching bodies with what they called the herb of the whaleboat in Portuguese. This primitive salve was made from the leaves of a flowering shrub growing wild along the coast. It worked well to soothe aches, reduce swelling, and ease pain. What these intuitive healers were using was a botanical called cordia. We now know this plant is rich in phytochemicals, giving broad-spectrum medicinal value, including anti-inflammatory essential oils. Among other things, it can kill mosquito larvae, calm colds, coughs, and fever, remedies gastrointestinal disorders, skin ailments, and rheumatism. And it's especially effective in soothing soft tissue pain and inflammation. One clinical trial involved more than 350 people with chronic myofascial pain or tendinitis. And after only 4 weeks, more than 60% of the cordia group suffering from tendinitis, which typically takes months to resolve, had a very good to excellent response. Overall, this modern version of the herb of the whaleboat is at least as good as any option available, superior in many ways. Its side effects are rare. When it comes to deeper pain for injured or overused muscles, tendons, and ligaments, you don't really have many natural choices. Formulas containing capsaicin for heat or menthol for cooling, they do provide some relief, but it's fleetingly temporary. Cordia, however, does provide long-lasting relief without medicinal smells or unpleasant sensations. Powered by nature, but proven by science, making this unknown traditional plant a true botanical treasure. For the Natural Medicine Update, I'm Dr. Marcus Lowe.